Welcome to this presentation on metalopeptide nanoreservoirs for concurrent imaging and detoxification of lead PB from human retinal pigment epithelial HRPE1 cells. This research was conducted by Anand Kautu et al. And published in 15th July 2024. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Today, we're tackling a silent but pervasive threat: lead poisoning. Did you know that lead exposure affects millions globally? And even low levels can cause irreversible brain damage, especially in children. This isn't just an environmental issue, it's a critical public health crisis. Lead can enter our bodies through various sources, from old paint to contaminated water, and once inside, it wreaks havoc, particularly on developing brains. While current treatments, like chelation therapy, can help, they often come with significant drawbacks, including side effects and the risk of redistributing lead to other parts of the body. We urgently need safer, more precise ways to detect and remove this dangerous metal. So how do we create a better solution? Imagine our approach like building a specialized smart magnet at a tiny nanoscale level. We've engineered unique molecules called metallopeptide conjugates, or MPCs. Think of them as tiny C2, SYMMETRIC structures inspired by natural systems that are designed to self-assemble. Our specific MPC, called MPC1, has a dual superpower. It can uniquely detect lead ions by glowing brightly, and it can also capture them. We designed these molecules to be highly specific, meaning they prefer lead over other metals, and to be biocompatible, so they work safely within the body. We then tested these smart magnets in human retinal cells to see how effectively they could find and remove lead, and if they could repair the damage lead causes. Our smart magnet approach yielded some truly exciting results. The big win is that our MPC-1 molecules proved incredibly effective at both finding and fighting lead. First, we confirmed its remarkable selectivity. MPC-1 specifically lights up in the presence of lead, ignoring other common toxic metals like mercury or cadmium. This glowing signal allows us to precisely image and quantify lead. Even more impressively, when MPC-1 encounters lead, it transforms, forming resilient, ball-shaped nano-containers that effectively trap and sequester the lead ions. But the real game-changer came when we tested it in lead-damaged human cells. We observed that MPC-1 treatment not only restored the cell's viability, but also repaired the crucial internal structures, called actin filaments, that had been disrupted by lead. Essentially, our smart magnet found the lead, trapped it, and helped the cells recover from its toxic effects. So, how does this fit into our world today? This research offers a groundbreaking step forward in combating lead poisoning. Unlike current treatments that can be non-specific and cause unwanted side effects, our metallopeptide nanoreservoirs provide a targeted, biocompatible solution. Imagine a treatment that not only removes lead but also helps us visualize exactly where it is in the body, all while minimizing harm to essential metals. This dual-action capability, known as theranostics, means we can both diagnose and treat simultaneously. This isn't just about a new molecule. It's about a safer, smarter paradigm for addressing heavy metal toxicity, opening up new possibilities for medical and environmental applications, from improved diagnostics to more effective detoxification strategies. Looking ahead to the next 5 years, this research has the potential to profoundly change how we approach lead poisoning. First, you could see earlier and more accurate diagnoses of lead exposure, allowing for intervention before significant damage occurs. Second, new, more effective therapies could emerge, offering targeted lead removal with fewer side effects, especially crucial for children. This means a future where lead-related developmental issues are significantly reduced. Beyond medicine, these nano-reservoirs could be integrated into environmental solutions like advanced water filtration systems or soil remediation techniques, making our communities safer and cleaner. Ultimately, this research brings us closer to a world where the devastating impact of lead poisoning is a thing of the past, improving daily life and health for countless individuals.